In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 AI copywriting tools that you can get on lifetime deal at the moment. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which one of these you can win on this channel if you are a subscriber in our free giveaway that's happening in a couple of weeks' time. The first tool that I'm going to talk to you about is this one here, CLoserscopy. It's great if you want to produce long form content. So if you're looking for SEO, optimized blogs, or any marketing copy, you can visit the sales page. It's got tons of information, comes with a 14-day money back guarantee, and you can see the prices here for their different packages, but they do have a lifetime deal. If you go down into the description of this video and you click on the first link, you will come through to this page here. This is their lifetime deal sales page. It looks a little different, but you can see you can get the same offers, but you can get the lifetime deals just by coming to this page, clicking on these buttons and putting in the correct code in order to get a discount. You can pay in 3 installments, or if you can, you'll save some additional money if you can pay for a one-time payment. The second one I want to show you is actually currently over on AppSumo. This tool here is known as Copywise, and Copywise is great if you want short form content, specifically if you're interested in writing ads. It will help you use AI technology in order to produce ads. So if you're copywriters, e-commerce marketers, then you can check out this tool. The nice thing about picking this up on AppSumo is it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee, and it's a one-time purchase of $39. So if you're not interested in something like CLoserscopy, where you're getting the long form content with the SEO, you're not interested in ranking, but you do want to write ads using AI to save you some time and make sure they're optimized. If copywriting is something that isn't necessarily your strong point, then this is something you can pick up. If you want a tool that's pretty good at doing both together, then this is a second deal that's also available at the moment on AppSumo. It's called Writecream, and you can use this in order to produce your content, long form content such as blogs. It does marketing content, sales emails, and it does things like ads as well. Now, the great thing about Writecream, what I really love about this software, is they're always adding more to it. They actually have a ChatGPT option, which is called Chat Genie, and it has the ability to get over some of the limitations on ChatGPT, those 2021 limitations, because it combines that with Google in order to be able to get you more up-to-date information. They also have an AI image generator built in as well, so you don't have to go and get a separate piece of software for that. If you come on to the third link in the description, so the first one is going to be this lifetime deal, the second link is going to be for Copywise, and the third link in the description will be for Writecream. But if you hit that third link, you'll come over to this page. You can scroll down, you can see the different plans at different price points, and that will give you an idea of how many credits you need depending on how much writing you're actually going to do. And it's this piece of software here that we have the ability to give away. We've been working with Writecream, and they have very generously given our audience the opportunity to win their software. You need to be a subscriber of this channel so you know when that giveaway is going live. So if you're not subscribed already, consider hitting that subscribe button. You can go away and pick up any of these 3 lifetime deals, but if you want to learn more about Writecream and how its new features work, then you can click the video that is on the screen now, learn a little bit more about it, decide if you want to pick it up now or if you want to subscribe and check out that giveaway. But for now,